So here we'll find the average of sound. So what is average of sound? The formula is 20 log 1 upon n summation of I is equal to 1 to n 10 raised to li by 20. So suppose there are number of sound levels. Suppose 50 dB is one of the sound level, 60 dB another sound level, suppose 100 dB third sound level, 120 dB fourth sound level. So these are the sound levels, and we have to find out the average, L average of these four sound levels. So here the formula is 20 log 1 upon n. N is what? N is the number of sound levels. So here 4 sound levels. So the value of n will be equal to 4, and Li is each sound level 50, 60, 120. So here we'll find out the L average. So L average will be equal to 20 log of 1 upon n, that is here 1, 2, 3, 4 sound levels. So the value of n will be equal to 4 summation of, so 1 by 4 into, in bracket, take the sum of Li by 20, 10 raised to first sound level, it is 50. So 50 by 20 plus 10 raised to 60 by 20 plus 10 raised to 100 by 20 plus 10 raised to 120 by 20. Okay, so this is the average sound level, average of sound. So this total value, if I calculate 20 log 1 by 4 into this total, so this total L average value comes out to be how much? 20 log, this value I think 108 dB is the value, L average. Okay, so this is the answer, L average 108. Now the next concept is L equivalent. The formula is 10 log summation of I is equal to 1 to n 10 raised to Li by 10 into Ti. This is the formula for L equivalent. So what is equivalent? L equivalent concept. Suppose for that we'll solve one example. That example here, this on y-axis sound levels in dB, intensities of sound level, and this is the on x-axis time duration. So for first 3 hours the intensity of sound level was 20 dB. For 3 to 4, that means for this 1 hour the sound level was 40 dB. For this 4 to 6, during these 2 hours the sound level was 30, and 6 to 10, for during this 4 hours 70 dB was the sound level, and 10 to 15 only 10. Sorry. So these are the sound levels. So find out the equivalent sound level of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sound levels which were present for different durations. So find out the equivalent sound level. For this is the formula. Here it is Ti. What is the time? Ti value. Ti is the time duration expressed as fraction of the total gauging time. So for first 20 dB the time will be 3 hours, but total gauging time it is 15. So the fraction is 3 by 15. So we'll calculate L equivalent for this. So L equivalent will be equal to, what is the formula? 10 into log, in bracket, summation of 10 raised to Li by 10. 10 raised to Li. Li is what? First Li it is 20. 20 by 10 into Ti. Ti is the time fraction. For first Li 20 dB, time duration it is 3 hours. So the fraction, that is 3 by 15. Okay. So this is the first plus second value. Second is what? 40 dB Li value. So 10 raised to Li by 10, that is 40 by 10 into what is the time duration? 3 to 4, only 1 hour. So 1 by 15 is the time duration. Then 4 to 6, the time duration it is 2 hours. Intensity of sound level it is 30. So plus this 10 raised to power 30 by 10 into time duration it is 2 hours. So 2 by 15 plus 70 is the intensity of sound level. Time duration it is 6 to 10, that is 4 hours. So 10 raised to 70 by 10 into time duration it is 4 hours. So 4 by 15 plus 10 to 15, time duration it is 5 hours and the level it is 10. So 10 raised to 10 by 10 into time duration it is 5 hours. So 5 by 15. So this value, L equivalent value, calculate L equivalent value of this all. So what is the value? L equivalent, calculate this value.